Joy working as a caregiver and Caroline as factory worker. How long you been working in Taiwan?
Almost 8-9 years.
What do you do as a caregiver here in Taichung?
We have to do everything, including the household works. So we are working just like 24/7 in a day.
So do you have a day off or?
Well, I have 1 day off in a month. Yeah. Some employers will cut the salary because we have 4 days off. So this is added into our salary.
Yeah.
So these 4 days, it's optional for us as caretaker if we want to use the day off or not.
All right.
For me, I don't usually have a day off.
How about as a factory worker?
It's just, we just work for 2 days and 2 days off. Other departments have a lot of overtime, so they work like 3 days or 6 days in a row. So just 1 day off.
How's the work environment in the factory?
It's good for now in our department. That's it. So it's good. They treat us nicely.
Okay. How about your passport? Or is it with you or your agent or broker get it from you?
Me, I have my passport.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And you?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
it's my own.
So do you get raises?
Yeah, actually, they just raised, when I come here 2016, they raised us 2017 1,000 NT for our salary.
Is that for a month or?
No, for a year.
For a year, 1,000 NT for a year.
Yeah,
Okay.
but after 2 years, just last January, they raised us like 700 NT.
For a year.
I don't know how many years, maybe 2 years.
Do you have to send money home? I mean, to your family?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'm sending my salary to my family back home
Yeah.
because I'm going to support my sisters and brothers to go to school, so I
Yeah.
have to.
Yeah, but me, I don't have support in the Philippines, but yeah, sometimes I send money to my parents
Yeah.
for their medicines,
Yeah.
like that.
Do you feel that there is a kind of any discrimination at work, like in factory for the Taiwanese workers between Filipino workers?
No.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. That's why I like here in Taiwan, because no discrimination.
How
We don't
about
have-
outside? I mean, do you have local Taiwanese friends?
I love the people of Taiwan, and I love also the places in Taiwan because there are a lot of
Yeah.
there are a lot of beautiful places that needs for us
To explore.
and you know, when you go to the places, it's like, wow, I feel blessed, I feel like relaxing.
Yeah. It's clean and safe. Actually.
Yeah. How was it when you work here? It's like a first year of your.
When I first come here, just a month, I want to go home to the Philippines because, you know, before they don't treat us good like that. They shout
Shout
because
on you,
you're
yeah.
shouting me in work like that, because I don't know how to speak Taiwanese. I
Yeah.
just speak English
Yeah.
and then they just what they don't understand me. I don't understand them.
Yeah.
So it's really hard for that. There is no good communication, and I was just cry. I want to go home, and we just work for 12 hours for 2
Yeah,
days,
yeah.
and then we cannot sit. We just walk and work, you know,
Yeah.
and then you go for your break time. That's the 1 hour rest. It's just a short hour, but it's so glad now because everything is changed, you know. Everything is changed. Because you know, the companies change all the rules, you know. We signed already the papers that no shouting in the Filipino foreign workers
yeah.
here, because
Oh,
they
that's
have a
good.
right.
Yeah.
Because they can explain it briefly, and if they cannot understand, they can call another Filipinas to translate. Yeah.
How
So-
about for the case of caregivers?
My first 5 years, I work as a caregiver for an older, and then lately I transferred to a middle-aged man because
Yeah.
he's disabled man.
Yes.
So for the first 5 years as working as taking care of an elder, so you need to attend to their needs. So even it's in the middle of the night, you need to wake up, you need
Yeah.
to change diapers,
Yeah.
you need to give them what they want.
Yeah, yeah.
So for me as caregiver, it's too tiring, and we don't have raise in
24/7
salary.
is
Yeah.
tiring. There is a movement to change or abolish having agents for workers. What do you think about it?
We need to. It's because
Yeah.
some agents, we are just paying monthly brokers
broker
fee,
Yeah.
but
fee, but they didn't
Placement?
do
for
anything.
for the whole year,
Yeah.
you don't see them, or you
Yeah.
don't even talk to them,
Yeah.
or
Oh,
they
no.
don't even ask you, what's your work, how is your work, are you okay or
Yeah.
not, something like that. So we are just paying them for nothing.
How much do you pay the agent for caregiver?
For the first year, it's 1,800, and then the second year, it's 1,700.
Oh.
Then the third and the next years, it's 1,500.
How about
So-
for factory workers?
Before, we paid like that, but last 2017 they cut it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lower than usual?
Yeah, on my first year here, we pay 1,800, and then after a year,
Yeah.
we pay 1,500
Monthly.
monthly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we didn't see them.
Do you get any support from them
No.
when they have problems
No.
or whatever?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you report cases like that to the immigration?
No, because I thought before that's the rules. That really
That's their job.
Yeah,
you mean?
yeah.
Yeah.
But I know it's their job. If we're going to the Philippines for vacation, they are the one processing our re-entry visa.
And you have to pay a different and separate payment.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are into changing not to have agents anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe we can just pay them when we need them or something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Not every month we
Yeah,
are
sure.
paying them, and
Yeah.
then we don't even see them.
Do you think they have the same rights or not the same rights with the other Taiwanese workers?
I think
about
no.
that.
We
You have
don't
the same
have
one?
the same rights, and especially for us as
Yeah.
caregiver, we have a lot of work, and our salary is lower
Lower.
than
Yeah.
them.
The
Yes.
Taiwanese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's lower.
How about in the factory?
So every 6 months they have the
Oh,
salary
okay.
raise.
Yeah.
You know.
And you don't have that.
No.
Yeah.
And then they have every 3 months they have. They call that it's a bonus. You know.
Yeah.
Every quarterly they have like
And
that.
how
But
about-
Filipino no.
Yeah. How about for the shift of night shift or day shift? Do Filipino workers have?
Priority is Taiwanese for the day shift.
Okay.
Night shift, almost,
Almost
Filipinos. Yeah.
The least question.
Yes.
What do you love in Taiwan?
Me, I love Taiwan. It's because of the environment. Yeah, the cleanliness of the environment
Yeah.
and the discipline.
Yeah.
Disciplinary.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
these people are disciplined.
They're nice people
Yeah,
here.
and you
The
don't-
culture, I really like the culture
and
here.
you don't even
The
have
food, I like the food here.
have
Yeah.
see the garbage out there.
Yeah.
All right.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that's good
Very
to know.
clean.
Yeah.
And places are really beautiful.
Yeah,
Alright.
I really like here because I've been in different kind of places here. I've been here in the mountains before, and
Yeah.
I've been there in the waterfalls. It's so clean. The water is so clean. It's
Yeah.
different in our country, but I really like the hospitality and the culture.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's good to know. So thank you so much for today.
Yeah,
Nice to
thank
see you and
you.
talk to you guys.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Lina.
Okay.